Hi, welcome to another edition of Arnold's World. Why don't you come around inside here and we'll show you what's going on, give you an update of what's going on here at IMTS. Alright, so let's say you want to get some information, alright, from your machines. Everyone wants information from their machines. What's going on? Are your operators actually running machines? Well, what we've been able to do is incorporate Microsoft Access to our machine. So it's anything as simple as a manual gauge over on our far corner there by our jobber machine. We have access through the supervisor station to actually find out, okay, well, here's the part that they're grinding. What are the different dimensions that are being gauged by our operators? Alright, so we want to get rid of the operator intervention as far as inputting all this information to our database. Well, what we were able to do is actually get our operator interfaces to log manually into our database. So this database here, that I'm going to pull up in just a second, is from our HIAC machine around the corner here. So let's pull up the run report and find out what it's been doing lately. Oh, well, we're going to have to fire this operator because it's been off for quite some time now, and he's only run one part. Oh well. So the other thing we've been able to incorporate is just a way to interface with the machine remotely. So what we've done, we've been able to use some simple applications. These are usually free on the web, where you can interface to our Bedrock machine, let's say, and let's say we want to get some email status. So we'll switch the screen. You can see on the screen over there it's switched over. And through my smartphone here, I'm going to send myself an email. And let's check that on my desktop here. There it is. Of course, it's in the junk email folder. We have our Bedrock status screen here. So again, we can get some kind of information here. Unfortunately, the person hasn't really run the machine yet. I think that's Rich Fletcher over there. So we'll have to talk to him after this is all said and done. The last thing we've been able to do, you know, we all live in a 3D world. So we wanted to be able to create our parts in 3D. So partnering up with some really intelligent programmers, we were able to get Solid Edge to interface with our machines through a proprietary software package that we've been able to create. Basically what it does here is you import or create through Solid Edge, kind of like a SolidWorks program, 3D modeling program, the part that you want to do. In this case, we have the part for our Gen X machine that we're running here at the show. And what we can do, we can pick a direction to grind, we can highlight different aspects of the part. In this case, we're hovering over the last taper, which it's labeled taper 4, and you can see it's highlighted on the screen. And we can add that to our process list. Now our process list is very similar to our Excel spreadsheet list. Now, you're wondering, if you get this package, will you have to update the machine? Will you have to update the software? And the answer is no. The great part about it is, when we hit our process button, we can export all this information that we've gotten from our 3D model to an Excel spreadsheet. And from there, you just carry it over on a USB stick to your machine, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Well, that's our update for the IMTS 2010 show. I'm here. Hopefully you'll be here. You'll see us virtually at booth6646.com. Thanks for coming by.